Ever found yourself sweating buckets on the treadmill? Wondering if there's a faster way to melt away those stubborn calories? Well, my friends, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you something. Have you ever wished you could burn fat in a way that feels like a fitness fiesta rather than a punishment? So buckle up, because we're about to turn your workout routine upside down. Power jacks. Power jacks involve a wide-legged jumping jack combined with a squat. This exercise targets the inner and outer thighs, promoting muscle toning. Running plank. Combining high knees with a plank position, running planks engage both upper and lower body muscles. The continuous movement elevates heart rate, promoting efficient fat burning. Toe tap shuffles. This exercise involves quick lateral shuffles with toe taps. Toe tap shuffles target the lower body muscles while maintaining an elevated heart rate for effective fat burning. Burpees jump. Combining a squat, plank, and jump, burpees are a full-body powerhouse. The rapid succession of movements maximizes calorie burn. High knee skips. By lifting your knees high during each skip, you engage your core and lower body extensively. High knee skips effectively raise your heart rate, contributing to efficient fat burning. Skater hops. Mimicking the lateral movements of a skater, these hops engage the legs and glutes. The swift side-to-side motion intensifies calorie burn, making it an excellent fat-burning exercise. Three-points hops. These explosive jumps engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They enhance agility and coordination while torching calories. Incorporating these AI exercises into your routine not only adds variety, but also ensures an efficient and effective fat-burning workout. Remember, the key lies in maintaining intensity and proper form to reap the maximum benefits from these dynamic movements.